Welcome to Dearborn Restaurant Directory, featuring this wonderful restaurant and other neighborhood restaurants in the heart of Dearborn, Michigan. We're passionate about serving the community with exceptional restaurants and cuisines across the great city of Dearborn. Please take a minute to watch this video to learn more about today's amazing restaurant picks. Find them by clicking the link below. Check out the best deals of the day right here in the Dearborn Restaurant Directory. Thanks, and enjoy your meal.
At Xushiko, we specialize in creating mouth-watering dishes that blend traditional Japanese techniques with contemporary flavors. Our chefs, skilled in the art of fusion cooking, ensure each dish is a masterpiece of taste and presentation. Dive into our unique menu, featuring everything from the freshest sushi rolls to inventive hot dishes, all crafted with premium seafood, meat, and produce. Don't miss our popular lunch specials, where gourmet meets affordability. Your feedback fuels our passion and creativity. Connect with us through our online platform or visit us in person to share your thoughts and experiences. At Xushiko, every customer's voice matters.
Whether you're craving breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or just looking for a warm and welcoming spot to spend time and have a coffee or tea, we invite you to visit this restaurant in Dearborn, Michigan. Come experience the taste of community and the best food you've ever tasted in your lifetime. Click the link below now. Get your deal coupon today.